How to zoom in Photoshop. Now there are a lot of methods. I'll tell you the quickest and easiest method to do that. Now I'll scroll down, and here as you can see that this is the option zoom tool. I'll select this, and here these are two options. If I want to zoom in, I'll select this plus option. So if I click here, you can see that I am zooming in, and if I want to zoom out, I'll select this option and I'll click this, and I am basically zooming out. Another method to do is from shortcut keys, I will press Ctrl and plus option, and you can see this. And if I want to zoom out, I'll select Ctrl and minus option. So these are the options due to which you can zoom or zoom out in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.